To every woman who has put her dreams on hold to care for her family, we see you and we hear your struggles. At the NewLeaf Group, we are here to help you write your next chapter. Our Empower Her campaign is designed to reintegrate women into the workforce by equipping them with in-demand skills in project management and product management. These are career paths that offer flexibility, growth, and financial independence.
I would highly recommend the project management course at the NewLeaf Group. What I loved most about the course was the hands-on project experience and the tasks assigned. These tasks were not just theoretical, but gave us real-world insights into project management.
In 2025, the NewLeaf Group is committing to sponsor 12 women to enroll in our courses because we believe every woman deserves a chance to succeed. To date, we've already trained over 70 women, and this is just the beginning. Your support can help fund this transformative program and provide internship opportunities that pave the way for these talented women to re-enter the workforce with confidence. Empower Her isn't just a campaign, it is a movement. Together, let's give women the tools to reclaim their futures and thrive in their careers. Join us in making a difference. Visit the link below to learn more, donate, or partner with us. The NewLeaf Group, helping women rewrite their stories one opportunity at a time.